Good morning, children. Today, I am going to start a new lesson. Today, we can start a new lesson that is from your history, second chapter. The chapter name on the trial of the earliest people. On the trial of the earliest people. So, we are studying about the earliest people. About the 2 million years ago. From that, we are starting to study. Okay. The Today I am going to take a topic that is the earliest people. Why were they on the move? Okay, why people move? The earliest people move. What is the reason? Okay, so the movement is very important. The people we all like move one place to another. Traveling is most important things for the people. Through that we are achieving lot of things, that is lot of information, lot of ideas, new experience we are getting from the traveling. So like that we are understanding the things, how the nature is developed. So all the ideas from the one place to another, it is coming through traveling. So that is a very important things. Okay, so movement is very important. Then only the world will develop, because of the moments. Because what the things are finding out that we have reached everywhere, that means the moment is very important. So we all like to move everywhere. Okay, so that is very important. We know about people who lived in the subcontinent as earlier 2 million years ago, that they were known as hunter-gatherers. So 2 million years ago, Indian subcontinent who are living, they were known as hunter-gatherers. Okay, what do you mean by subcontinent? Subcontinent means the part of not only India, uh, India and its neighbors. Or we are saying that Indian subcontinent. Okay, India and its neighbors together is known as Indian subcontinent. So it is a large area. It is not a continent, but it is like a continent. It is a larger area. India is there, Pakistan, Afghanistan is there, nearby the China is there, and Bangladesh, Nepal, and Bhutan, all these neighboring countries together is known as Indian subcontinent. It is not a continent because that much size is not there, but it is a larger size. So that is why we are saying that Indian subcontinent. Now also it is saying. So in the Indian subcontinent 2 million years ago, who are living, they were known as hunter-gatherers. Why they are known as hunter-gatherers? The name comes from the way in which they got their food. So how this name came? The name comes from the way in which they got their food. Okay, how they collect their food for their survival. So they hunted wild animals, catch fish and birds, gathered fruits and roots, nuts, seeds, leaves. So that is why these names become hunter-gatherers. Okay, hunter-gatherers means here hunter means hunting animals, and gathering means collecting the seeds and fruits and stems and all these things. So they like that hunter-gatherers. Hunter-gatherers is known as like that. Okay, then name of the things we say is to do. There are several animals that run faster than us, many that are stronger. To hunt animals or catch fish or birds, people need to be alert. To collect plant produce, you need to find out which plants or parts of the plants are edible, that is can be eaten, as many can be poisons. So for these hunter-gatherers also need a lot of skills. Why? Because the first example is in the textbook, that is the animals move one place to another very fastly. So the people also need to move that much faster. So the idea is needed. Then for collecting the things, the ideas is needed. So it is very difficult. So for doing all these things, the people find out many things. So all these things we are studying in this chapter. Then the main point is that why the people move one place to another. Okay, reason why hunter-gatherers moved. Okay, that is now I am going to teach, that is reason why hunter-gatherers move one place to another. Okay, the firstly, if they had stayed one place a long time, they would have eaten up all the available things. Okay, plants and animal resources. So that time they have to find out other places for their survival. So that is why the first reason is that when they are living in a place a long period, that time what will happen in that areas, resources and plants and animals can be reduced. So they are moving other place to find out these things, like that they are moving one place to another. That is the first reason they are moving for searching food. Okay, they are moving for searching food. Then second reason why they move, that is the animals move one place to another. Okay, either search of small prey or in case of other things, the animals move one place to another. Okay, other place. So for catching these animals, they are moving one place to another. The search of grass and leaves. This is why those who hunted them have to follow the movements of animals, so that they are moving one place to another. So first reason, they are searching for the food, and second reason, that is they are moving for the animals is moving. So when animals are moving, hunters also, they are moving one place to another. Then third is that plants and trees bear fruits in different seasons. So that we know, the plants and fruits are bear different seasons. It will come on different. So season by season, they have to move one place to another. So for searching different kinds of plants for their survival. So that is why they are moving one place to another. Okay. Then the fourth, people, plants and animals need water to survive. Other thing is that they need to they need water to survive. So they are for searching water, they move one place to another. And the last one is that they move for searching friends and relatives, finding out the friends and relatives, they move one place to another. These are the reason why these hunter-gatherers moved one place to another. So 4 reasons or 5 reasons are there. That is, first reason, what is that? Reason, they moved for search of food. First one is that when they are staying in a long period of one place, that time the things, resources and eatable things can be over. So that is why the reason they need to find out other place for searching the food. So that is why first reason. Second reason, they move for hunting. They move for hunting. Okay, that means animal move one place to another. So for hunting the animals, they move one place to another. Then to search different kinds of plants. Okay, so season by season plants are getting. So that is why they started to move, finding out different size different plants. So that is other things. Then to search of water. So to search of water, the last one is to meet their friends and relatives. These are the reason why these hunter-gatherers move one place to another. I think you understood very well. So you have to read these pages, page number 11 and 12, and understand it and mark it. And if you have any doubt, you can ask to me, and I will send the works. You have to do that one. Everyone have to do the works and how to send through Google Classroom. Okay, I think you got it. If you have doubt, means you can ask to me through WhatsApp or through other Google Classroom also. Okay, thank you. Take care.